Here we have a 2020 Nissan Rogue, all-wheel drive with only 1,900 miles on it. It's a one-owner vehicle. Super clean. These actually get very good gas mileage. Do a quick walk around here and then we'll go to the inside. Alright, let's go to the inside. This vehicle has power windows and locks. Tilt, cruise. There's the miles, 1,900 miles. It's got Bluetooth, all touchscreen. It's got backup camera. It's got USB. Got a good bit of room in the back. And this vehicle can be seen at minersautosales.com or give us a call at 304-592-3349.